Get funded with up to $600,000 trading capital. Keep 95% of profits with weekly payouts. Pass one-step or two-step challenges with 5 to 10% profit targets and strict daily/overall drawdowns. Tiger Funded launched late 2024, claiming to offer fewer restrictions than older prop firms, allowing overnight and weekend trades and news trading. They advertise 1.2 million plus paid out to traders, 4.8 stars from 5,000 verified reviews, and 40,000 plus traders trusting them. Choose your challenge size, trade on Match Trader or MT5 platform in simulated environments, hit profit targets while staying inside drawdown rules, get funded account with weekly payouts after first withdrawal. But here's what independent research reveals. Trustpilot is filled with devastating complaints. One trader reports Tiger Funded stole $7,000 from my account and blocked me, manipulated trading history to show fake profit, immediately blocked platform access. Multiple reviews state, rejected my payout 3 times, support doesn't reply, Discord has bots, stay away from this scam. Another, waited 27 days for payout review, told I breached IP rules even though laptop never left my house. Biggest scam I've ever seen. Users report account shut down without explanation after spending hours meeting requirements. Support is slow, vague, and completely unhelpful. Communication stops once money is involved. One trader. Copy trading worked fine in stage 1. Then Tiger stopped them from copy trading in stage 2, which was heartbreaking. The prop firm match lists Tiger as unlisted. Doesn't meet verification standards to be officially listed. Industry statistics also show brutal reality for prop trading. 90 to 95% of traders fail prop firm challenges. Only 5 to 10% pass initial evaluations. Just 7% of all traders ever reach a payout. Average payouts, only 4% of funded account size. FPFX Tech analyzed 300,000 prop accounts. 60% lose capital. Traders spend average of $4,270 on challenges before profitability, and less than 15% generate consistent profits over the full year. According to finance magnates, 80 to 100 prop firms shut down in 2024. You pay hundreds up front for challenges, no refunds if you fail, and you must pay again for another shot. You don't own anything. Borrow capital, follow the rules, rely on them to keep paying. Income stops if you stop trading, break rules, or hit drawdown. So, is this a legitimate funded trading opportunity or a late 2024 startup with devastating complaints about stolen funds and rejected payouts operating in an industry where 93% of traders never even get paid? Hi, I'm Hunter. I've been making money online for over 5 years now with a variety of different methods. Online income allows a sense of freedom and opportunity. For me, that's been the ability to fulfill my dream of traveling and living around the world. And on this channel, I review the most popular online business models right now in the course to teach them to help you realize whatever your dream is too. Today we're breaking down Tiger Funded, sold through tigerfunded.com. Quick disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate of Tiger Funded in any way. I'm not going to get paid for this review. I'm just giving my honest opinion based on my own research and industry data. Although trading has legitimate applications when executed properly, my favorite online income opportunity is digital leasing, which you can learn more about by clicking the link in the description below. Drop a comment right now if you've considered prop trading firms, wondered if 95% failure rates are worth the risk, or wanted to know if Tiger Funded's late 2024 launch with devastating payout complaints should concern you. I read every comment and want to hear your thoughts. By the end of this video, you know exactly what Tiger Funded offers, the brutal Trustpilot complaints about stolen funds and blocked accounts, why prop firm match lists them as unlisted, not meeting verification standards, the devastating industry statistics showing 95% failure rates, only 7% ever getting paid anything, and why owning ranked local assets beats gambling on challenges where you don't own anything at the end of the day. So first things first, what is Tiger Funded? It's a prop trading firm launched in late 2024 that gives traders access to large amounts of capital if they pass a trading challenge. Instead of using your own money, you just pay for the challenge itself, follow the rules, and if you hit profit targets without breaking drawdown limits, you get a funded account. They're based in Dubai, UAE, and offer one-step and two-step challenges with profit targets ranging from 5 to 10%, along with strict daily and overall drawdowns. Once funded, they advertise weekly payouts, up to 95% profit splits, and scaling plans if you stay consistent. They claim to promote fewer restrictions than older prop firms, allowing overnight and weekend trades and news trading as well. When you sign up, you choose your challenge size and trading platform, usually Match Trader or MT5. During the challenge phase, you're trading in a simulated environment where you must hit profit targets profits while staying inside strict drawdown rules. One bad day can easily end the challenge itself. If you pass, you move on to a funded account, where payouts are supposed to happen weekly after the first withdrawal. There are clear rules around copy trading, IP changes, and trade behavior. Breaking any of them can result in losing your account entirely. Everything depends on perfect execution inside their system, which you can't control. They claim to have paid out over $1.2 million plus to traders, have 4.8 stars from 5,000 verified reviews, and that 40,000 plus traders trust them. Tiger Funded operates on raw spreads with no commissions on trades, offers balance-based drawdowns that recalculates daily, and has a scaling plan where achieving 12% profit within 3 months increases account size by 25%, up to $2 million maximum. But here's where massive red flags emerge. Trustpilot reviews reveal absolutely devastating complaints about Tiger Funded that should concern anyone considering to pay for their challenges. One trader reports, Tiger Funded is a total scam. They stole $7,000 from my account and blocked me. The market hit my target and dropped even further to $4,597. Should have realized a profit of over $7,000. However, while I was away from my computer, Tiger Funded illegally terminated my account without any violation of rules. They manipulated my trading history to show a user close status and registered a fake profit of only $2,500. This is a lie. I did not close that trade. To make matters worse, they immediately blocked my access to the platform as soon as they realized I was a profitable trader. This is a classic scam move to prevent me from exporting my logs and gathering evidence of their fraud. Another Trustpilot review states, Tiger will never approve a payout. Even 150 USD is not approved. When you keep the rules and qualify for a payout, they decline payout without a reason. Stay away. Ask them for proof for a payout. Unethical and dishonesty at the highest level. Multiple reviews report the same pattern. Tiger Funded is a total scam. They rejected my payout 3 times. Support doesn't reply. Discord channel has bots. Stay away from them. I have all the proofs how they rejected my payout without any reason. One trader waited 27 days for payout review. The biggest scam I've ever seen. Had to wait 27 days for my payout review. After 27 days, I was told I breached IP rules, even though my laptop never once left my house. They are a scam and a really bad one. Please avoid at all costs. Reviews describe support issues like Tiger Funded has now taken 8 days to respond to my withdrawal request. As soon as I ask for feedback, they block me on Discord. This happened twice. Their free account is not the same. It comes with many hidden rules not communicated. When I posted questions on these rules, I got blocked again. Tiger Funded is the reason why prop firms have such a bad reputation. One trader describes manipulation. I have documented logs from my MT5 journal proving that on Friday, February 16th, the server rejected my attempts to close a gold position with a fake market closed error. Global markets were open for another 30 minutes. And other traders were executing trades without issue. The firm has now blacklisted my device's IP. My live chat window is a blank white screen while it works perfectly fine on other devices. This proves they are intentionally avoiding accountability. And another review states, I passed the first stage with no problem copy trading with my EA. Since you can't connect your EA to MatchTrader, you must copy from your MT4, MT5 account. They sent me the second stage, but stopped me from copy trading my EA. That was heartbreaking, but it looks like I'm not the only one this happened to. Multiple reviews call out fake positive reviews. They were banned for so many complaints and reports. They're scammers, they steal your money, and they do not pay those 5-star reviews. They're bought, so forewarned is forearmed. One proptradingfirms.net review states, I'm trying to figure out whether this proprietary trading firm is trustworthy or not. I've been going through various reviews and I've come across quite a few that raise a red flag, with many suggesting they don't pay, don't trust them. Right now, I'm in the middle of the challenge and I can't help but notice the Discord community seems a bit lifeless compared to other firms. Critical detail. Prop firm match lists Tiger Funded as unlisted, meaning they don't meet the verification standards to be officially listed and included in this comparison tool. This is a major red flag for a firm claiming 40,000 plus traders and around 1.2 million in payouts. The pattern is clear. Accounts shut down without explanation. Payouts rejected without reason. Support blocks users who ask questions. Platform manipulation alleged. IP violations claimed falsely, and suspected fake 5-star reviews bought to counter legitimate complaints. Now, let's examine the brutal reality of the prop trading firm industry in general, beyond Tiger Funded specifically. The statistics are absolutely devastating and show why 95% of people attempting this type of business, this type of way to make money online, completely fail. Quant VPS analyzed industry data showing only 5 to 10% of traders managed to pass initial evaluations. FPFX Tech analyzed 300,000 plus prop trading accounts from 100,000 traders across 10 firms and found that only 14% passed the challenge. Just 7% of all traders ever reached the payout, and average payouts were only 4% of funded account size. This means if you get a $50,000 funded account, which only 7% do, you're earning around $2,000 profit on average. Multiple sources confirm 90 to 95% of traders fail prop firm challenges. Traders Union states, some sources state that up to 95% of all prop traders fail their assessment, and less than 2% get to keep their funded account for a substantial amount of time. World Metrics aggregates multiple firm disclosures and estimates fewer than 15% of prop traders generate consistent profits over a year, with average profitable traders earning around 8% on their accounts. Best Prop Firms reports that 60% of prop firms' clients ultimately lose their capital, and on average, traders spend $4,270 on challenges before reaching profitability, if they ever do. Finance Magnates Intelligence estimates that 80 to 100 prop firms shut down or exited in 2024 following platforms of payment crackdowns. This means even if you pass a challenge and get funded, the firm itself might disappear, taking your earnings with it. The Funded Traders March 2025 disclosure states that 5 to 10% pass evaluations and about 20% of funded traders receive a reward. This means if 100 people start challenges, 5 to 10% pass to get funded accounts, and only 1 to 2 of those actually get paid. The other 90 to 95 people paid for challenges and got nothing. Only 35% of traders meet their profit targets during the evaluation phase, according to industry research. Most failures happen within the first week because traders who have been profitable for months suddenly abandon proven strategies under pressure of having a funded account on the line. The reasons for failure are pretty clear. Professional traders risk 0.5 to 1% per trade maximum, yet challenge takers regularly risk 3 to 5%, trying to hit profit targets faster. Strict daily drawdown limits, commonly 5% daily, 10% overall, punish oversizing and impulsive trades. Confusion between static and trailing drawdowns causes countless account eliminations. Revenge trade after losing and doubling down to recover quickly represent the most common elimination patterns. Tiger Funded specifically costs a couple $100s up front depending on how big of an account you want to trade with. If you fail the challenge, you don't get any money back and must pay again if you want another shot. They position this as fair because you're paying for access to capital you wouldn't normally have, but for most beginners, it means paying repeatedly while hoping everything goes perfectly. With prop firms, you don't own anything. You're borrowing capital, following their rules, and relying on them to keep paying you. Your income completely stops if you stop trading, break a rule, or hit a drawdown. There's no real scalability, no long-term asset being built, and when everything is performance-based like this, that income is extremely unstable. Because the firm controls all the rules and payouts themselves, you're always one decision away from starting over. Tiger Funded's Trustpilot reviews show this exact pattern. Traders meeting requirements, get accounts shut down without explanation, payouts rejected without reasons, support blocks them when they ask questions. You're completely dependent on their platform, not manipulating trades. Multiple reviews allege this. Their support actually responding, reviews say they don't. Their payout promises being honored, reviews show 3+ rejections. And the rules being enforced fairly. Reviews describe hidden rules and arbitrary IP violations. Even if you're in the 5 to 10% who pass a challenge, you're still in the 93% who never get paid according to industry statistics. And you're doing this with a firm launched late 2024 with less than 2 years or so of operation, listed as unlisted by Prop Firm Match for not meeting verification standards, with devastating Trustpilot complaints about stolen funds and blocked accounts. Here's a fundamentally different approach to consider. Instead of gambling hundreds of dollars repeatedly on challenges with 95% failure rates where you don't own anything and Tiger Funded can block your account at any moment, you can build owned digital assets generating passive income for years to come. With digital leasing, you build local service websites that rank organically on Google. When homeowners search for services, your site can appear first. They call immediately because if they're searching, they're obviously interested in getting that product or service soon. And then you rent those exclusive calls to one local business for $500 to $3,000 per month per website. The key difference, you own the asset 100%. The website, the rankings, the phone number, the leads. When a prop firm shuts down your account or rejects your payout, you lose everything and must pay again for another challenge. When a digital leasing client leaves, you simply forward those leads to their competitor. The asset stays yours, generating value forever. Building one of these sites costs a few $100s up front one time, and then you can maintain it for around $30 per month to pay for hosting and a tracking phone number to send the leads to your client. Each of these sites can generate between $500 to $3,000 plus per month, depending on the industry and location that you're ranking. And it can be generally passive once the site ranks. There's no daily trading requirements, no drawdown limits, no rules you can break to lose everything, no blocked accounts, no rejected payouts. Once the site ranks, it can stay ranking long term. And when homeowners call, you can automatically forward those leads to your business partner If you want to learn more about local SEO lead generation, also called digital leasing, check out the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of online business courses. Drop a comment if you've considered prop trading firms before. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.